the game. It's a rich thing.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this, I'm MJ. How you doing? If you're true to this, what's good? You already know what's up. You already know how we get down. You already know how I talk over here. So what up? Welcome to my channel. And today we have a plus size Shein haul. This video is in partnership with Shein. But as always, if you know me, then you know I'm going to give you my most honest, raw, kind of filtered opinion, because you know I can't cut up how I want to cut up, you feel me? So it's gonna be a little, but I'm gonna always keep it real true, 100 band, 100 grand with you. So just know that if you are new here, just know that I'm like that over here at this channel. On this channel, I'm like that over here, you feel me? If you want to see what I got in this haul, please keep watching. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button, and please make sure, if you already subscribed or if you're subscribing now, to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Because I know that, like, with my last video that I uploaded, people didn't get notified even though they had their post notifications on. Unfortunately, it's like that on YouTube when you go away for a nice minute like I did. But I'm back, baby, and I already told you that. So subscribe, watch, comment, and yeah, we just about to get into this haul because I didn't already talk for a long time. So I'm so mad at myself because I got this shirt in a 3X because, you know, that's like the sizes that I normally get from Shein, because I know, like, you know, it's not American sizes for real. I mean, it is, but like if I get a 2X and some stuff over there, it'd be too small. So I would be like, okay, over there I'm gonna get a 3X. Here I'm gonna get a 2X. So I got a 3X in this Mary sweater, and this junk is, I mean, it fits, but I like my stuff more. I like my stuff more fitted than this. Now, me, when I wear this sweater, it's going to make me want to tie it because, like, I like my junk to be fitted like this. So, it makes me want to, like, tie the shirt. So that way it can fit properly for my liking, if you will. But I did get this because y'all know Christmas is coming up. It is this weekend. And you know, I needed a Christmas sweater. Like, it say Merry Christmas, you know what I mean? So I feel like, you know, I was definitely trying to get some stuff for this haul for the holiday that's coming up. And yeah, like, it is, this material is very it's kind of remind me of like those type sweaters that's like, it almost puts you in the mind of crochet, but not crochet for real. So like, I feel like, you know, I definitely could have went down in this, which I should have. I already just explained that to you. I definitely should have went down. Oh my God. But I like it though. It's nice. It's soft. And I feel like it'll keep me warm when I wear it like this. So I got these little combat boots, and I really like the fact that it had like the lace and it has the zipper. I love boots like that because, you know, like once you tie it, you don't have to untie them. Like once you lace them up how you want, you don't have to untie them no more because you have the zipper. So this is how the boots look. They super comfortable, y'all. Like, don't look at this stain on my carpet neither. I think my niece did that and we just can't get it out. So if you got some tips, tell me how to get it out. I actually got these boots because I have a whole outfit in mind that I am going to wear with these boots. And actually, hold on, I also got these fishnets to go with my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. I'm not gonna put these on, y'all, because I I want them to stay super tight for when I first wear them. So I'm not gonna put them on, but this is how the design is. I hope you can kind of tell. Like, how it looks. It's gonna be super cute with these boots and my red and black and my little. Y'all gotta wait and see. Make sure you following me on Instagram because I'm definitely gonna be making stories and stuff, and I probably might even actually post because I don't really post on my Instagram like that unless it's a reel or a TikTok. But yeah, definitely. I also got this little jacket. I wanted just a little short little jacket. I did get this in a size 4X because I really didn't know, like, I didn't really know what size I should get it in, and I'm actually happy that I did. And it do have drawstrings where you can, like, you know, make it look like that, which I love, and I think it's super cute, like, when you wear it like that. And it, like, it looks sweet to me. It doesn't have any pockets, which I do not like. I wish it had some pockets. It has a zipper, and it also has buttons you can snap or whatever. I wish I had some pockets. I be needing some pockets, and I don't even just need no pocket. Like, give me a deep pocket that I can put my phone in, and that bad baby won't fall out. You know what I mean? But yeah, I got this jacket too. Next, I got this little 3-piece set, and honestly, y'all, I really like this. It's super, 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 super comfortable, and it actually is like, the material remind me of like almost like a sweater material, so I definitely feel like this will definitely keep you warm during the cold winter months if you decided to wear this somewhere, or just wearing this around inside your house. Like, it's super comfortable and super cozy. I like the gray. The sweater little thingness. Little thing. It comes all the way down to like your ankles. So I honestly, I really like this, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm actually like surprised in the material. I thought it was gonna be like super thin, even though it looked like it's like, oh, sweatery, cozy. I didn't think it was gonna really be like that. But to my surprise, it actually really is, and it feels very good. And I really like this. I really like this. It's super stretchy. But it's also like, I don't want to say super stretchy, because super stretchy is like stretchy enough where like I can go down the size. No, like, I'm happy I got the size that I got, but it is still stretch with like but it's still fitted to where it's like super tucked and comfortable, if you will. Like, the pants are, the top is like very nice. I feel like it's not gonna be stretched out, you know, after a couple of wears or whatever. I feel like it'll be good. And then also this, like, I feel like this is good. And yeah, like, it's not too tight on my arms, which I like. And I don't know if everybody is like this, but one of my arms is bigger than the other, like super bigger than the other one. I'm gonna show you when I try on the black outfit, because you can really see. Wait, let me see something. I'm not gonna show you because I did not shave. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you because I gotta lift up my arms so you can see. Like, this one hang way more than this one. But yeah. Wait, my music. Okay. Y'all, what size did I get this in? I think I got this in a 4X, and I was like, looking at it, holding it up, I'm like, oh, damn. I thought that I got it too big, but I didn't. Why they ain't give me no pockets? Yo, this junk is so cute, fuzzy, cozy, and fucking soft. And freaking soft. Yo, I'm feeling like somebody's throw blanket tonight. Cuddling up with my husband, like, rub on my booty, Rub on my booty. Okay, look, y'all. It got some ears. I know you want these goodies, cause you thought I got you all. Cause I talk about it. Yo, this is so cute. I'm a reindeer. It's I was about to say it's Halloween. What? It is Christmas. And my name is Common, Cupid, Donald, and Blinton. Is it Donald or Donald? Whatever. I messed up all their names. Stop it, okay? Woo! Yeah. Yeah, this thing gonna keep you nice and warm. I already said it felt like somebody's throw blanket. And it does. It's very soft. And like, it's like throw blanket material. So, you definitely gonna be warm. You're gonna be warm. So, this is our next item. And you know, I know some of my plus size girlies, you feel me? Woo, baby, shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Some of my plus size girlies not too comfortable showing some skin. This is a two-piece set right here. Like the skirt come down to like a little bit below your calf. Like I don't want to say your ankle for real because it's not your ankle for real. And you can't even see. Hold on. So yeah, you can see like it's not really your ankle that it comes to. But, you know, pat out. I know some of my, you know, like I said, some of my plus size sis, my girls, my sisters, my friends, y'all don't really like showing skin like that. So this is a set that you can like, you know, bring all the way up, or you can even like tuck these like this, make it look, I don't know, shit, you don't want to show no stomach. But then for the ones that want to show stomach and don't want to show too much, you want to keep it a little classy. You feel me? Like we just going to dinner, you know. I want to look a little. Then this is good. Then it's the ones that's like me. That's like, you know, oh, I wanted this to look super different and cute. So we're going to tuck it up under that bra and make it look like the doop, the doop, the doop, boop, boop, boop. You feel me? Add a little bit of extraness to the extraness. Now you ain't got to do it all the way around. Cause you don't want your back rolls to be out. Unless you do. That's your business. You feel me? I don't care if my back rolls be out. But some people care. So you don't have to bring it. You don't have to tuck it all the way around your bra. Just the front part. To give you that. You feel me? I got on shapewear with this. So it's giving muffin tuffin. And I don't like that. So it feels kind of like spandexy a little bit, if you will. Like everything feels nicely fitted and tight and comfortable. Mr. DJ, and we will rock. I take it like Jilla, make the boys say hello because they know I'm rocking the bed. I know you heard about a lot of great MCs, but they ain't got nothing on me. Okay. Okay, so this is our last item, and I don't know, black leather stuff. It's just I like it. I like it a lot. I'm starting to get a lot of little black little leather, pleather, whatever it is stuff. I'm trying to tuck the side. Ooh, I'm trying to tuck the sides of my bra down so you can't see my bra, because my bra covers the whole boob, and yeah, it looks tacky. So, yeah, this is our last item, and the pants are like, they are, like, almost like little, skinny little, legged little things. I honestly do feel like, can y'all hear it? Can y'all hear it? Because I don't know how to explain it sound, so just listen. Can y'all hear that? That's how it sounds. It's noisy a little bit. Try to unfold my bra right here so you still can see it. Anyways, yes, noisy a little bit. But who really cares about that? Like, these thighs rub together, so it's gonna be noise. I don't care if I got on jeans. I don't care what I got on. It's gonna be noise. So that's really not bothering me. This is a bit on the thin side, and I do feel like I got some leather pants that's like this type of material, where like the inside of the material I feel like will make you sweat a little bit. So, you know, you might want to watch where you wear it to. Don't be trying to wear this outfit to the club and you be dancing a lot, and then trying at the end of the night. Don't do that. Don't do that. This is one of them outfits that you can wear to the club, but when you in the club, y'all heard that? When you in the club, you just standing there looking cute, getting your two-step on. I got my drink and my two-step, my drink and my two-step, got my drink and my two-step, my drink and my... It's on, it's on, it's on, and I get the on it, you know? Like that. You feel me? Like you want to hype your girl up. Get it, girl, get it, get it, get it, get it, you know? But don't be out there trying to twerk something with it, because then you're going to be sweaty up under here. That's the best, it's the best description I can give you. Let me see. Can y'all see that type of material? Yeah. So yeah, we are at the end of this video. Y'all, it is the holiday season. And I really need to sit down and make a video because, like, I lost my dad this year in August, and it's been a real struggle with me. Like, days I feel good, days I don't. So I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna talk to y'all and stuff like that. But, like, it's the holiday season, so, you know, y'all need to get some stuff to make you feel festive, or at least if you ain't gonna decorate your house, dress like you in the Christmas spirit. So yeah, make sure y'all check out Shein. They have really good sales going on this week because, you know, Christmas is coming up. So check them out. Check out, not only, you already know, don't just check out the clothes, venture outside the clothes and look and see what else they got, because I just got this really cute phone case and I bought this. Hold on. I actually bought this case with my own money. This was not part of this haul. Okay, I be buying stuff from Shein too. I bought this case and I thought this case was just so cute, so I bought it. And also I bought this too. And it go on your charger. You see that? It's like little butterflies. You feel me? Butterflies. You understand? I like butterflies. So this is what this looks like. And I really like this because, you know, this part of your phone charger always mess up. So I felt like, you know, a little safety guard. So that's why I got it, honestly. And I thought it was cute. Plus it was butterflies on there. So yes, so make sure you check out what they have, Christmas stuff. They have Christmas decorations. They got Christmas clothes. They got some nice little Christmas looking lingerie. They just look a little cute, little Christmassy. What I mean by Christmas is the colors, you know what I mean? But yeah, they really do got home decor, Christmas decor. Like, just check them out. Don't just look at their clothes, like I always say. And also, guys, do not forget that if you do shop, you can use my coupon code to get 15% off your purchase, and that's MJGLAM15. And I know they be always having like sales to get 15% off, but sometimes with those sales, your order have to be a certain amount in order for you to even use that code. But you can just use MJGLAM15. Like, it's not a cap. Like, you don't have to have a certain amount of money in your cart to use that code. So just use that code if you see anything that you want. Don't forget MJGLAM15 to save you some coins, okay, boo-boo? Okay, then. We are at the end of this haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next upload. I love y'all so much, and peace out.